Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. Today we're doing a tranny flush on a 2005 Lexus IS300. Grab a 24mm socket, and we're going to loosen the drain plug first. The drain plug is located here on the bottom of the transmission, pretty much almost in the center, towards the back. Right here, we're going to take that out. On the side of the transmission, the driver's side of the transmission, there's a identical plug. That's going to be our fill plug, and it's pretty much right in line with the drain plug. So we're going to take that one out next. Let this go until it's done dripping. Alright, so the 24 for me rounded off, which these factory plugs are known for. So I used some vice grips. I had to pull out that 12mm bolt that just holds like a wire or something. The reason I did that was because when I go to rotate these vice grips now, it was going to hit that bolt head, and obviously then I couldn't get it out. Do yourself a favor, replace junk stock plugs with these. This should be enough information to get you where you need to go. And you're not going to need 4. I have 4 because my other car takes these same plugs. But you will need 2 plugs and 2 washers. You're going to need a 10mm Allen key to tighten these down. The one in the transmission tunnel you won't be able to get with a socket version of this. There's not enough room, so you have to use a standard key. The one on the bottom, you can use whatever you want, but I'm just going to use the same tool for top and bottom. So here is the new plug installed. You're going to install the drain plug first. There's a crappy factory one. Throw that in the trash. Now we're going to grab our penis pump, and we're going to pump the fluid into the fill hole until it starts to come out. Alright, so you grab your lovely penis pump here, you stick the tip in, and you just pull the suction part, and it will fill as long as you have the end in the oil. So once you have the fluid in here, you put the hose in the fill plug hole, and then you just push up. And you're going to repeat this process over and over and over until it starts draining out of the fill plug. Once it stops draining out of the fill plug, then it's level with the bottom of the plug. Then we can put the plug back in. So I filled it enough. Now it's dripping. Once it stops dripping, then I'm going to put in the fill plug. Thanks for coming and checking out my video, guys. Next time we will be doing something else. We're pretty much done with this car now, and if you're a Patreon, you're going to be scrolling right now. So talk to you later.